The bear hug, explained. Hey there, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English idioms. Have you ever heard someone mention a bear hug and wondered what it meant? Well, you're in luck because that's our topic for today. A bear is a large, powerful animal known for its strength. So when we think of a bear giving a hug, we can imagine it being very tight and strong. But don't worry, it's not actually about real bears. Literal meaning, a hug as if given by a bear, very tight and encompassing. Figurative meaning, an expression of affection or love that is very strong, intense, or enthusiastic. It doesn't have to be a physical hug. Understanding an idiom is one thing, but using it correctly in sentences is where you truly master it. Let's see some examples. 1. After not seeing each other for years, Maria gave Juan a bear hug. 2. The little boy ran to his grandmother and gave her a bear hug, lifting her off the ground. 3. When I win the competition, I'm going to give you a big bear hug, said Tom with a smile. The exact origin of the phrase, bear hug, is a bit unclear. However, it's believed that it has been used since at least the early 20th century. The phrase likely originates from the strong, powerful nature of bears and the way they might embrace something with their front legs when standing upright. While bear hug is a fun idiom, English is full of them. Here are a few related phrases you might hear. Bear with me. This means, be patient with me. It has nothing to do with actual bears. Just like bear hug. Hug it out. This is a casual way of saying to resolve a disagreement or tension by giving each other a hug. And there we have it. The next time someone gives you a tight embrace or talks about a bear hug, you'll know exactly what they mean. English is filled with these colorful expressions, and understanding them will only enrich your language journey. We hope this video has been enlightening, and remember, keep hugging those English idioms tight.